with me. Yes, yes, vegetables. It's MyGo. Hi, it's me, Chase. Today, we're learning all about vegetables with our friend, JJ. Say hi, JJ. JJ and I love eating vegetables. Vegetables? Do you like eating vegetables? That's great! Carrots are my favorite. Ready to sign carrots with me? Carrots. C-A-R-R-O-T-S. Carrots. Carrots? You're so good at signing. Do you know why carrots are my favorite? They're long. They're crunchy. And the color orange. Oh, I love the color orange. I have an idea. Do you want to know what JJ's favorite vegetable is? Yes? Me too! Let's go find out and sign along! Let's go!
Peas, peas, it's time to eat your peas.
Yes, 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 I want to eat my peas.
Good, good, the peas are good for you.
Yay, 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 I love them. Ooh.
See, see, Teddy likes them too. 1, 2, 3, he ate them up, you see.
Ha, 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 the peas are all gone now. Yum, 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 we like them, wow.
Carrots, carrots, it's time to eat your carrots.
Yes, 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 I want to eat the carrots.
Good, good, the carrots are good for you.
Yay, 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 I love them, ooh.
See, see, elephant likes them too. 1, 2, 3, he ate them up, you see.
Ha, 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 the carrots are all gone now. Yum, 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 we like them, wow.
Squash, squash, it's time to eat your squash.
Yes, 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 I want to eat the squash.
Good, good, squash is good for you.
Yay, 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 I love it, ooh.
See, see, monkey likes it too. 1, 2, 3, he ate it up, you see. Broccoli's all